This is a quick overview of downloading and installing the Blackbelt Ribbon add-in. If you have the add-in available via Canvas, download it from there. Otherwise, you can go to a public site like blackbeltapps.com. That's what this site is, and scroll to the middle section to see where the download is available. Here we have the 2025 Black Belt Ribbon add-in. It's good until the middle of 2026. To download this, depending upon your security settings, you may have the option of right-clicking if you're on a PC and save link as, or opening it in a new tab. I'm going to save link as so that I can designate my desktop as a destination. I'll hit save. Now, again, depending upon the nature of security on your computer, you may need to say, I want to keep the file. This is a save file, so I will keep it. And at this point, I should be able to find the add-in on my desktop. Now, the add-in is not an Excel workbook, so I can't open it directly. I have to add it in to the Excel application. To begin with, let's make sure that it is a trusted file. Right-clicking again on the icon, I'm going to go to Properties and take a look at whether or not the unblocked designation appears unchecked. If it's unchecked, that means that it's going to be blocked by the application. I need to unblock it to make sure that it's safe. I'll hit Apply. Now I'm going to open up the Excel application. Here's Excel opening up. It has some other add-ins that are already working for it, but not the one I've just downloaded yet. To add in this new add-in, on a PC, I'll go to File, I'll go to Options, and now I'll go to Add-ins. And I'm going to browse. Hit Go, Browse for the add-in that I've just downloaded onto my desktop. Desktop is a pretty good place to have the add-in, at least if you're going to be using it on a regular basis. If you have a number of add-ins, you might have an add-in folder that you'll be adding this to. But this is a decent place to have this for the course purpose. I'll hit OK, and I'll be asked a file name. I've already downloaded this before, so you might not get this, but if you're a first-time user, but if you have used the Black Belt Ribbon in the past, you might get this warning message. I do want this to replace any old versions of the ribbon, and I'm going to hit OK. And now at this point, the Black Belt ribbon should appear in the ribbon structure of Excel, and all the associated tools with the Black Belt ribbon should be available. That includes things like the heat mapper add-in, which requires internet connection for its functionality. And it also includes functions like standard deviation if, which is a conditional standard deviation calculation, among other things like moving average calculations and other time series calculations that are part of the structure of functions in the Black Belt ribbon. And if you want to get an overview of what those functions are and what shape libraries exist for the heat mapper, just go ahead and download that PDF file. It's located here under Function Library and Heat Map Catalog if it's not available via Canvas, and it should be if you are taking a course making use of that ribbon. Okay, that's all. Everything should be working at this point. Best wishes in the use of the tool.